Tozani bogogo nomkhulu saluka sendoda lesugogo bathini mbathi. You'll forgive me, but you'll tell me if I'm wrong. I don't think ukuthi we need to dedicate the whole of December as a holiday and want to have fun and be with families that hate us, that are contribution of the witchcraft that is happening in our lives, with friends that don't care about us. They just with us because of, it's December. Throughout the year that friend was never there for you. They have never helped you with anything. We want to buy a lot of booze and drink and just have fun. Are we saying to ourselves, ukuthi, we are going to strive and work hard towards December and just box the money, lucky those who are working and getting bonuses? Are you going to take your bonuses and just box them and just njena and then utuzobona ngo January? Why is it January so difficult to most of the people? I think it's because of the money has been wasted throughout the year. So what are we going to do this year in terms of the crossover ancestral prayer, whereby we pray for the year? Now we're praying for everything. We ask our ancestors to guide us for everything that we are doing this year. What we're going to do, or this upcoming crossover ancestral prayer, ukuphahla for ukuhlukanisa unyaka, we are going to start on the 26th of January until the 31st, midnight, the 31st of January. We're going to start there. The post is going to come. Probably I'll do the post today with the correct dates, so that we know when do we start. So that comes the 1st of January, we have already crossed over. We are already in the 2026, and we have already spoken with our ancestors, prayed to our gods, what is it that we want to see in 2026. So it's up to you. If you want to spend the 26th, you want to be drunk on the 24th, the 16th, the 24th, the 25th, and that's it.